Hi, welcome to the delicious recipes. Today we're gonna cook chicken curry. And here the ingredients we're going to use: garlic, onion, bell pepper, curry powder, garlic powder, potato and carrot, coconut milk, ginger, cooking oil, water, salt, and chicken. Okay, let's start to cook now. First, we're gonna stir fry our potato and carrot. And we just cook evenly and halfway because we're gonna boil this with the chicken. I just stir fry the potato and carrot because it's for me it's more tastier if I stir fry a little bit the potato and carrot. And next we're gonna fry the chicken. We don't need to cook the chicken. I just fry a little time. When you see the outside is changed, the color is changed, just take out the chicken because we're gonna boil this with the other ingredients. Guys, you see the chicken, there's no skin because I took out because the skin is too much cholesterol. But it's up to you guys if you want to take out or not. The skin is more tastier or yummier, but if you are health conscious, just take out. If you don't want to put more cholesterol to your body, and avoid to high pressure to your blood, so go take out. It's optional, by the way. Especially if you are adult, we need to take care our health and watch out our food. But if you are still young and healthy, go it. Because when you get old, your food is limited. You can eat, but don't make daily food. The fat food, just eat moderately. Don't abuse your health because you are young. Okay, we're gonna stir fry now the ingredients in the same pan because the taste of the chicken is still here in the our frying pan, so we don't need to change or wash the our frying pan. Okay guys, this is our chicken curry. Thank you for watching. For more video to the delicious recipes, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel.